Namaste. Today we explore one of the most revered hymns in the Shakti Tantric tradition, the Siddha Kunjika Stotram. Its name is a map to its purpose. Siddha means perfected or accomplished. Kunjika translates to key, specifically a hidden or a secret key, and Stotram is a hymn of praise. This hymn is traditionally known as a master key to the Durga Saptashati, a vast scripture of 700 verses. It is believed that chanting this concise, potent stotra holds the essence and power of that entire text. So, what does this key unlock? Traditionally, it's chanted for protection, creating an inner shield against negativity and fear, wisdom and clarity, removing mental obstacles to clear the path for insight, fulfillment and strength, aligning energy with heartfelt desires and cultivating resilience, spiritual progress, elevating consciousness towards inner peace or ananda. The science of the key. Let's view this through a lens of sound science. The Kunjika Stotra isn't just poetry, it's a sophisticated sound technology. It is woven with bija mantras, seed syllables like Aim, Hreem, Kleem, and the primal sounds of the Sanskrit alphabet. What happens when we chant these precise rhythmic sounds with focus? Neuroscience suggests that such focused auditory repetition acts as a form of deep meditation. It can help calm the brain's default mode network, the source of our worrying thoughts, and encourage shift towards alpha brainwave states. This is the state linked to relaxed alertness, reduced anxiety, and heightened focus. The disciplined practice or sadhana of chanting this structured pattern doesn't just invoke tradition, it gives your mind a single powerful point of focus. This anchors you, regulates your nervous system's stress response, and can literally rewire thought patterns over time. The key unlocks your own innate capacity for calm and clarity. The Siddha Kunjika Stotra is more than a prayer. It is a key of sound and intention. A key that, according to ancient wisdom, opens doors to divine grace, and according to modern science, can unlock deeper states of mental well-being. So now, let's chant Kunjika Stotram together. The stotra begins with a Viniyoga, followed by Lord Shiva instructing Goddess Parvati. Om Asya Shri Kunjika Stotra Mantrasya Sadashiva Rushihi Anushtupa Shri Trigunatmika Devata Om Aim Bijam Om Hreem Shakti Om Kleem Kilakam Mama Sarva Bhishta Siddhyarthe Jape Viniyogah. Shiva Uvacha Shrunu Devi Pravakshami Kunjika Stotramuttamam Yena Mantra Prabhavena Chandi Japaha Shubho Bhavet Na Kavacham Na Argala Stotram Kilakam Na Rahasyakam Na Suktam Na Pidhyanam Chananyaso Na Chavarchanam Kunjika Patha Matrena Durga Patha Phalam Labhet Atiguhyataram Devi Devanamapi Durlabham Gopaniyam Prayatnena Swayoniriva Parvati Maranam Mohanam Vashyam Stambhanochatanadikam Pathamatrena Sansiddhayet Kunjika Stotramuttamam Atham Mantraha Om Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundayai Viche Om Glaum Hum Kleem Jum Sah Jwalay Jwalay Jwala Jwala Prajwala Prajwala Aim Hreem Kleem Chamundayai Viche Jwala Ham Sam Lam Ksham Phat Swaha Iti Mantraha. Namaste Rudrarupinyai Namaste Madhumardini नमः कैटभारिण्यै नमस्ते महिषार्दिनि नमस्ते शुभहन्त्रै च निशुम्भासुरघातिनि जाग्रतं हि महादेवी जपं सिद्धं कुरुष्व मे ऐङ्कारी सृष्टिरूपायै ह्रीङ्कारी प्रतिपालिका क्लीङ्कारी कामरूपिण्यै बीजरूपे नमोऽस्तु ते चामुण्डा चण्डघाती च यैकारी वरदायिनी विच्चे च भयदा नित्यं नमस्ते मन्त्ररूपिणी धां धीं धूं धुर्जटे हे पत्नी वां वीं वूं वागधीश्वरी क्रां क्रीं क्रूं कालिका देवी शां शीं शुं मे शुभं कुरु हुं हुं हुंकाररूपिण्यै जं 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 जम्भनादिनी भ्रां भ्रीं भ्रूं भैरवी भद्रे भवान्यै ते नमो नमः औं कं चं टं तं पं यं शं वीं दूं ऐं वीं हं क्षं धिजाग्रं त्रोटय दीप्तं कुरु कुरु स्वाहा पां पीं पूं पार्वती पूर्णा खां खीं खुं खेचरी तथा सां सीं सुं सप्तशती देव्या मन्त्रसिद्धिं कुरुष्व मे इदं तु कुञ्जिकास्तोत्रं मन्त्रजागर्ति हेतवे अभक्ते नैव दातव्यं गोपितं रक्ष पार्वती यस्तु कुञ्जिकया देवी हीनां सप्तशतीं पठेत् न तस्य जायते सिद्धिररण्ये रोदनं यथा इति श्रीरुद्रयामले गौरीतन्त्रे शिवपार्वतीसंवादे कुञ्जिकास्तोत्रं सम्पूर्णम् ॐ तत्सत्।